If you want to customize wallpaper on iPad, I'm going to show you two different ways. First way, open settings and scroll down a bit and open wallpaper, and here you can see your current wallpaper. If you want to add a new, click add new wallpaper. Here you can add any wallpaper. This is default function, but if you want to add custom one, click photos, and here select the wallpaper from gallery. I just select this one, so it's added. Here you can change the color just like that and size. So here you can add the widget. If you want to change the filter, just swipe like this, then it will be changed like this. Again, if you want to change this wallpaper, click these photos and change that. Here you can zoom crop like this, so it's okay for me. Then click add. Now if you want to add a separate image for home screen, click customize home screen. Otherwise you can choose set as wallpaper pair. For now I just click customize home screen. Now here you can change the image also. Click this photo and select any image. I just select this one. So here it is. So here you can zoom in or zoom out like this and click done. And if you want to blur the background, click this blur option. So it's blurred out like this. If you want to change the color, here you can change that. So it's completely your wish. I just select photo, then click done, and that's it, it's changed. So here you can see lock screen have different wallpaper, image, and home screen has different image. So this is first way, and second way also same. Make sure you unlock your iPad and swipe down here, long press and swipe left, then plus photos, everything same from here. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPad, watch these videos.